There's a lot of buzz around additive manufacturing right now. It gives us opportunities to make parts in a layer by layer form, so we're able to create new features that just aren't possible with today's methods, whether that be casting or forging. It's great to see the collaboration across Ingalls Technical Solutions and Newport News and how we're approaching these technologies and these different initiatives. So I'm very lucky to be able to work on this. I started off on carrier new construction, and being able to reach back and see on the products and the components that we worked on then on how additive can affect those and how we'll use additive in the future to improve those items has really been an amazing project. And it's continued to expand and new applications. And as additive grows, more and more people are coming to us with applications, which is great. In the beginning, we were pushing more of applications that we knew about, but now our phone rings daily, weekly with, hey, can you do this item? And it'll be nice to be able to take what we've learned and take those products and how we can all move in one direction with additive.